Hello world, it's sammykingx, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to generate a random password. Now I'm going to be making a series called How to Python, whereby I'll just teach you guys a whole lot of cool stuff you could actually do with Python. So see you right after the intro. Thank you. All right, welcome back. So I really want to generate a password, like a random password. So let me just create a file and call this random password of pi. Okay. So first things first, let's just set some basic constraint. Let's just say my password should be, let's say the length should be, let's say 10 or 12. Okay, and it should also be, or it should also contain lowercase, uppercase, and some special characters. So both lowercase, uppercase, and special characters. Okay, and then I'm just going to return. Sorry, I'm going to return the password. Okay. This is just a pretty basic one. For now, I ain't going to be doing any validation yet, so I just want to keep it simple and sexy. Subsequent how-to videos, and then I'll add some validation. Well, I actually brought this out from a user login system I actually created. Now, if you do want to see a video about that, you can kind of drop a comment or send a DM to me, and then I could share it with you also. Okay. So since this is our constraint, so first things first, I'm just going to import some modules. So so let's just say I want to import, I'm actually going to need a random module. Yeah. And also, since I'm going to be working with alphabets, then they're actually going to be strings. Yeah, so I'm actually going to use some strings. So let's just say I want to import the random module, or in this random module, instead of me importing everything, I think I'm only just going to use a particular function inside there. So from random module, I'm just going to import sample method. Then I'm just going to be importing the string module. Now the reason why I'm importing string module is because I don't want to start typing a be like this, then I don't want to really do that. But if you want to type it out yourself, you can. Then you don't really need to import the string module. But for me, I don't want to type that out. I don't want to type that out really. Okay, so I'm just going to create a function and call this function generates password. This function is not going to accept any argument. Yep. Okay, so inside here, I'm first going to get a list. I just say my password list. Now in this password list, I'm just going to use this, and this as my special characters. Then I'm going to concatenate this with the string dot ASCII letters. Yup. Then also some digits, yeah. So still going to concatenate this with string dot digits. Okay. So now that I've been able to do that, then this guy here is going to generate both the uppercase and lowercase. This guy here is going to generate digit. This guy is already, so let me just add digits here also. So now let me generate the password. I'll call it pwd. Let me use the join method. Then I'll use my sample method. Passing my password list there, and then the key, let's make it 12 since we said the length should be 12. Okay, so first let me print this out and see if it works. Then I'll have to call my method. Okay, so let me revalidate. Okay, I'm importing the random module, and from there I'm using the sample function, importing the string. Okay, string ASCII letter, string digits, join sample password list. Okay, so yeah, with that set done, I think this should work. So I'm just going to remove these parts. Okay, just going to save, and then all right. Okay, interesting. So yeah, that's it. Now let me tidy things up. I'm going to use this special if name equals main. So basically what I'm just doing here is kind of putting a check only when I'm running this module directly. So yeah, I'll then return. Oh, I could just return pwd, then assign this to. Now this variable here is actually local to this function. Why this variable here, it's different from this particular variable. I just wanted to point that out. Okay, or to even test this out, I could just say let's just print this. Yep, you can see it's working. So keep things clean. Yep, so this is it. Generating a random password that's 12. The length is 12. And this is just it. For now, I'm not adding any validation. So guys, thank you for sticking through. Do take care. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.